Alright, welcome back to this segment of hunting car parts or, car accessories. And today we're looking at, I don't even know what this brand is, Reno, Mad Reno Roadmaster. And these are 905 LEDs, no wires, just nice 905. This one doesn't even have fans, actually. And just in case you were curious, I believe 905s also go as H10s, just so you know. So these are going in my 2014 Silverado. It used to be with Silverados, it used to be a 9006 and then a 9005 for your high beams. No more. So we'll let you, that's what these look like. We'll show you them in the truck once I get them all plugged in. But kind of cool packaging. We'll see how they work.